Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you this song TobeChukwu by Nathaniel bassey. Had it on comment section. Okay, someone asked me to do the song for you guys, so I'm going to do the song, and it's going to be kind of a song that you guys are going to learn, and also try to figure out how you can play other keys. Like the key of the song there is on the B flat. I'm going to do it in the B flat. This is the key of B flat on the third string here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re. Okay. So we have the key of B flat here again on the second string. Okay. So we have the key of B flat here again, okay, on the second string. So if this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay. Alright guys, if you like the video, smash the like button, share it, okay, so that others can watch. Okay, so the key of the song is a B flat, and this is the key of B flat like I showed you, and you have it here also on the third string, yeah, on the third fret, third string, okay. So I want to show you the intro of that song, okay. The intro of the song is very simple, so we're going to play it on this shape. This is the key of B flat on this shape. Do, va, sol, do. Okay. So the intro goes like this. Okay. So what I'm playing is starting from the do, ti. Do, 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 ti, ti, la, la, sol. Okay. Do, 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 ti, ti, la, la, sol. And when I play a kind of a ta, that is the flat 7 there. Ta, 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 la, la. Ta, 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 la, la. Fa, sol, va. Okay. Ta, 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 la, la, sol, va. Sol, va. Mi, mi. We play mi, do, re. Okay, mi do re mi do ti, mi do re mi do ti, do 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 do. Okay, do 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 do. Okay. Okay, so that is the intro of that song, and so the chord progression for the main song, you can play it like this. So what I'm playing there is I play from the do so so so, do ba cha go, do ba cha cha. Okay, I play do ba cha cha, re va 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 re. Okay, re va 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 re, do mi mi mi. Okay, do mi mi mi, ti do re, ti do re do ti do. Okay. Okay. Now the chord progression is I played on this shape now, the sus chord. Okay, you just use your normal do chord here on the key of that B flat. Do, 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 but I'm going to play a sus chord. Okay, so the intro there is the chord of the progression is TobeChukwu, 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 you have done it for me. Even before I pray, your mercy answer me. TobeChukwu, you have done it for me. before I pray. Okay, I play B flat 7 there, adding the top. Okay. Even before I pray, I go to a VAR, I go to a source chord there, which is a VAR. I play my B flat sus 4. I play a Re, play my Re chord. So your Re, La, Re, Va, La. Okay. That is your Re chord. I play my saw, full bar chord there, just like this. So I play full bar chord. I show you how to play a bar chord, so you should know that. Okay, so that is mainly the progression of that song and the chord progressions of that song. Okay, so you just move along with the chord progression. Okay. TobeChukwu, TobeChukwu, you are coming from Do, Tobe, you play your last Re, you are coming from me. Okay, so wherever you don't understand in the video, hit me up in the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.